here. Oh my gosh. So we woke up this morning, had some breakfast at the hotel, letting you know, another bowl of pho. And we made it to Sunworld, which is where the cable car is. And so now it's like a 3K, 2K drive up. Super quick. And now here we are. I think it's over there. We're pretty high up and it was pretty warm when the sun was out, but now it's cooled down because the sun went away. It's kind of weird. Tim said it reminds him of going through duty free at the airport, which I 100% agree. It's just kind of strange. I don't know. Weird. Super fancy in here. We got our cards. It was 700 dong for the cable car and back. Otherwise you can hike back down, but I don't really feel like doing that. So that was the cable car. It was awesome. It's the longest one and the highest one. Ooh, it is a little difficult to breathe. And so now we're at the summit. Look how cool. Amazing. All right. So the air is super thin here. I'm already out of breath. But I'm gonna show you. So those stairs go all the way up. And I was telling Tim, oh, I really don't want to go up all those stairs. But I forgot that we bought those funicular passes. So the little cable car brings you all the way up there so we don't have to walk because I'm fat and lazy. We made it to the top. You can definitely feel the altitude up here. I didn't even go up that many steps, but like my body is like dead. And my heart's racing. So we got these fun desserts. It has literally everything you can think of in it. Mung beans, bananas, taro, coconut milk ice. Yum! Okay, so I've been eating this already, but it's got coconut milk, some weird jelly stuff, bananas and taro and ice. Very Asian. Alright, so we just finished with the cable cars and then we drove the bike a little further up so we can get some drone footage illegally. Just kidding, I don't know. I think it's fine. People get drone stuff on here all the time. But we didn't make friends, but there are these people who were with us in the cable car who are from Costa Rica, and we drove past them again. They gave us like the, hey, what's up? And then we're like driving, and we noticed this couple who left the parking lot without helmets. And then it was the guy in the front and the girl in the back. And then we drove a little bit further, and then down the road, it looks like they switched. So the girl was driving, the guy was in the back, and then they had helmets randomly. So we were just saying how funny it was that she was driving, like good for her, whatever. And so we're like, so we did a few pit stops just to like see what, like where we could take off the drone, and then we kept going, and all of a sudden there was a traffic jam. Turns out they crashed. I think what happened was that a minibus with our Costa Rican friends tried to pass them and they hit them. The bike went down. And so yeah, then there was like oil and fuel or whatever all over the ground. The girl had like some blood. I gave her some first aid stuff. Yeah, crazy. I think one of them, I think the driver of the minibus called the cops too, because I think what happened was he probably tried to pass them, then she like swerved in front instead. And so I'm sure they don't have a Vietnamese driver's license or anything, so that's gonna be great for them. We left before we could get involved. Always do that. Alright, so we're gonna get some drone stuff. Good job. I was a little nervous because there's power lines everywhere. We just went back to the room and I uploaded a vlog, and we're gonna go see the sunset, but there's no real sunset here because all the mountains are there. So we're just here having some beers, and we're gonna go shopping tonight.
Great drop this one.
Brought probably the last spring rolls we'll eat. Some soup that we already demolished, and pork and pineapple. This is what Sapa looks like at night. It's full of like knockoff North Face shops and trekking shops, and lots of like people from the hill tribes come with their kids and dress up all cute and then try to sell you stuff. It's working, they're so cute. The kids are so cute in their little headdresses. I think they'd sell buffs in that store.
Yeah, I feel like they...
Oh my god, they're so cute. But I know it's wrong, it's so wrong. But they're so cute. So many fake shops with all this fake North Face and Under Armour. And we're back from dinner. That was a quick one. So we were gonna go out, but I'm not really in the mood, and we have to wake up early tomorrow, and we have a really long day on the bike tomorrow. So we're just gonna stay in, eat ice cream, and watch a movie. I know, kind of boring, but we have a really early start tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow.